Let's examine what's really at stake in the overall debate about Northern Ireland's legacy. The government claims this is about justice. We need to look deeper at the reality of what is being proposed. The RUC's position is particularly telling. These experienced officers, who lost hundreds of colleagues during the Troubles, initially opposed the Legacy Act. However, their perspective shifted as they recognized a crucial truth. Without this act, we face an endless campaign of lawfare aimed at rewriting history. These wise old policemen, who spent their lives fighting terrorists, understood something fundamental. The likelihood of securing any terrorist convictions in the future was minimal. It is their families, who are many of the families that ministers keep mentioning. The evidence has degraded, witnesses have died or disappeared, and memories have faded. Yet the same constraints don't seem to apply when pursuing cases against the security forces. Consider the government's secret deals with terrorists. The Comfort Letters scheme, orchestrated under Tony Blair and Jonathan Powell, let known killers walk free. To this day, no one knows exactly how many letters were issued or who received them. The same Jonathan Powell who once invited Adams and the Guinness to his wedding party now serves as National Security Advisor, chosen over a serving general. The government claims the act was unlawful. This is nonsense. This is a fundamental misrepresentation of our constitutional system. Parliament makes laws, not lawyers. A Belfast judgment questioning parts of the Act didn't invalidate the whole legislation, and it could have been referred to the Supreme Court. The Attorney General chose not to do so, a decision that deserves scrutiny. The same Attorney General who represented Gerry Adams, as well as Al-Qaeda members. This isn't about justice, it's politics at its worst. The government's manifesto pledge to repeal the Legacy Act claims to enable justice for families and victims of the Troubles. But when we look at who really stands to gain, it's not veterans, it's not RUC members, and it's certainly not the victims of Republican terrorists. If wise old policemen who spent their whole lives trying to convict terrorists reckon there is little chance of convictions now, then who are those others not to accept that? The policemen understand it better than lawyers, judges, or politicians. So who does benefit? If not those who held the line, then those on the other side. The terrorists and their apologists in Sinn Féin. The Irish government, who provided an active sanctuary for terror attacks and a place to bury bodies for over 25 years. One must ask, what shoddy deal may be behind all this? It is scary.